Hi, this is all about the active learning personality, the kinesthetic or hands-on learning by doing active learner. And we're going to talk a little bit about the attributes and the best learning scenarios for that type of strength that someone might have in their learning personality. My name is Patricia. I'm with Regier Educational Services. And, all learning should be fun. Even when it's an icebreaker in the beginning of a learning event, it should be fun and active. So even if people aren't always comfortable with passing around a ball, this is for get to know you game, it is good for all learners. But specifically for the active learner, it gets people warmed up and really taps into what fires them up. So in the spirit of being active and being active in the learning process and having fun, what we're going to do is, do you remember when you were a kid and you read the adventure books where you got to pick which pathway you took? So that's what we're going to do here so that you can be active in receiving the information that you can pick. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to have these two places on the screen, and you'll be able to pick one or the other for attributes and best learning. You can start with either one, and you can then go to the next one after that. It's going to be some fun to make this learning a little bit more interactive, because even when something is online and virtual, you can still have it as interactive as possible and have fun. So I want to give you the opportunity to be active as we talk about the kinesthetic or hands-on learner. Learning by doing, have fun.